Political war of words explode over Trump's 25% additional tariff bomb on India. The opposition, led by the Congress, has lashed out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi following Donald Trump's announcement of a 25% additional tariff on Indian products. Taking a scathing swipe at Prime Minister was Lok Sabha Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi, who urged Modi to prioritize Indian interests and not give in to Trump's attempt to bully India into an unfair state. While Donald Trump may call India a dead economy, remember that, the fact remains that he's betting big on Indian real estate. In fact, India is set to become the largest market for Trump-branded properties outside the United States. From 4 completed Trump towers in Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata, Gurugram to 6 more mega projects in the pipeline, the Trump name is expanding its footprint across the Indian skylines.
Did you know that while Donald Trump is dismissing India as a dead economy, his real estate empire in India is alive and kicking? In fact, India is poised to become the largest market for Trump-branded properties outside the United States. According to Tribeca Developers, which manages Trump-branded projects in India, upcoming real estate ventures are expected to generate sales worth at least 50,000 crore rupees. That is nearly 1.8 billion US dollars. Until last year, Trump has already earned over 175 crore rupees from 7 real estate projects in Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata and Gurugram. But what is striking is the pace of expansion. From around 3 million square feet, Trump's presence in India is set to quadruple to 11 million square feet once current projects are completed. While completed and ongoing projects account for 2.9 million square feet, projects of 8.3 million square feet are in the pipeline. As of now, there are 4 completed Trump towers in India, in Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata and Gurugram. But 6 more projects have been announced across the country. This includes Trump World Tower in Pune, residential project in Gurugram, Trump Towers in Hyderabad, along with proposed project in Noida, a residential project in Bengaluru and a second tower at the Lodha Park in Mumbai. Additionally, Trump's plan include India's first Trump-branded golf course and luxury villas. Though the location is yet to be disclosed, the project aims to tap into India's growing demand for ultra-luxury living. On the global stage, Trump may keep criticizing India's economy. But in his boardrooms, it is a different sentiment. One that sees India as a booming market, ready to fuel his real estate empire. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.